Good morning, guys. Today we've got here Ulefone Power Armor 18, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, find and select settings. Then go to display, click on wallpaper, and select the source from which you want to select your cover picture. It can be one from Live Photos, something from Google Photos, or Wallpapers album. I will choose Wallpapers. And now just pick the wallpaper that you want to apply, that you like the most. You can see how each of the pictures look on your screen. So let me apply the go. Now tap on set wallpaper and finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. And as you can see, that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.